Hello, today we have an inspiring young entrepreneur, Janhvi Jain, with us, the force behind Verb Communications, a PR company which is making waves across India. Welcome to the show, Janhvi.
Thank you.
So, Janhvi, please tell us, at such a young age, how did you build a company like Verb Communications?
Well, I owe a big part of my success to my school, Maxfort.
School? Like business lessons in school? Are you serious?
Yes, it wasn't just any school, it was Maxfort. Let me take you through my journey here.
Our app connects farmers directly to urban buyers, reducing middlemen and increasing profit margin.
Every pitch brings students one step closer to the real world. MCA registrations, GST applications, brand trademarks.
GST registration is just a start.
Here, young entrepreneurs master the essentials long before they launch. Students study real-world startups. The wins, the mistakes, the lessons. Learning here isn't limited to classrooms. Global mentors, international markets, worldwide perspectives. Maxfort prepares students for a borderless future.
So, it's like a mini business world right inside the school.
Maxfort, where tomorrow's entrepreneur showcased today. So, how was your journey here?
Your child isn't at Maxfort. How will they compete with those who are?
Maxfort, where young minds grow and future entrepreneurs are made.